Hello everyone, we're continuing our beach walk today and we were at Dume Beach down below. We're now up on the bluffs, the Dume Preserve here. A couple of weeks ago we were here and we walked to the top and we did a wonderful 360-degree view of the ocean and the bay and the mountains. And here we're at the entrance to the Dume Preserve. I'm going to walk out the path here. We finished our sand walk down below and we're now walking up here toward the top on the bluffs. Very, very warm day today. Again, the top. Here we are. People walking up toward the top. Again, where you can have this 360 view of the mountains, the ocean, and the bay toward Los Angeles. And here, down below us to the right is Dume Beach, and where we turn here toward the west will be the sunset this afternoon. And again, for those who didn't see our live broadcast a couple weeks ago from here, with a 360-degree view of the ocean and the mountains, you can view that on YouTube and Twitter and Instagram. Oh, thank you for the beautiful, beautiful hearts. Much love and light to you too. Happy to see everyone joining into this beautiful warm day. Purple hearts here. Very warm day after what has been a colder temperature week. Here it's nice to be out and in nature and walking again for a moment on this Sunday afternoon here. Here's the hiking trail here at the Dume Preserve. Natural shrubs here. Malibu Spirit at Dume today, and some of you may have seen our beach walk down below at Dume Beach on the sand a little bit earlier. Here's the entrance to the Dume Nature Preserve, and this is where we'll be walking. I hope everyone enjoy a beautiful Sunday. See you again very soon. It's always lovely to see people who have lived in Malibu or known someone who lived here. Have a beautiful Sunday, everyone. See you again soon on our next Malibu Scope.